The field of child protection and prevention of violence against children is really diffuse. There isn't a single sector. We're not like pediatricians, right, that are all in the same or in similar positions. We have people who are expert in the field that come from all walks of life. There are psychologists, there are public health professionals like me, there are physicians, there's people who work in government. And a conference like this really allows us to come together across sectors and across areas of expertise and really bring together those different perspectives that are so essential to really supporting and protecting children.
By understanding the front lines, how Abbie works, the people that Abbie works with and champions, that's how we're going to ask better questions. And by doing that and lending then our expertise and our talents and our resources to those questions, because they need that traction, they need that research to be able to show that the impact of their work, and we need their ideas and their guidance to ask the right questions.
And for us, it's so important because we know what to do on the ground, but we need the guiding principles. And we need to be able to give our data and what we're seeing to the researchers to take it and come up with a better response.
We did something locally in localized counties that now the legislation will make it statewide. And so for me, it's the reach and it's the breadth, and it's legislation that could be a model for then other states to adopt.
Not one of us can do this alone. It is so critical for us to bring research and data to action. If we don't come together and work together, our resources aren't effectively used, and we think about research, practice, and policy, but doing it in an effective public health way where we start with a strategy and we make sure that it's implemented. And when we take that approach and we start to solve this problem and break it down, we will be able to advance much more rapidly. All of us need to be following the same roadmap, and then we will rise above all these issues that are facing children.
For me, it has been an absolute pleasure, very enjoyable, but also extremely efficient to be able to spend 4 days here and be exposed to researchers from more than 70 countries and up-to-date evidence on the issues we work on with national policymakers.
I've just had the opportunity of being in 2 really exciting sessions, one that was led by a collaboration between NGOs and government in Mexico, and another one in Jordan, and them sharing the work that they are doing to address violence against children in a place where these conversations don't normally happen, and you don't normally have this opportunity for governments from different places really coming together and talking and listening and learning with academics and policymakers and practitioners and innovators.
Government is important because usually they are the one who has authority and resources and the ability to make the policies and the law. So we really want to inform them with what we know and what we learned from ISPCAN or other important partners we collaborate with, and try to make this cross-sectoral collaboration works.